Ogunye, who is also a member of the Board of Trustees. They have been piloting the affairs of the Imperial alumni community as an informal association of people who graduated from Imperial College under the aegis of Imperial College Associates. Professor Ayo Ogunye is a professor of chemical engineering, University of Lagos, immediate or penultimate past president of the Nigerian Academy of Engineering. A round of applause for you. We also have on the Board of Trustees Chief Don Etiebet, who is also a faraway Abuja. Then we have Mrs. Nana Daudu. Mrs. Nana Daudu is immediate past MD of First Trustees, a scion of the Nwane family. A round of applause for. Okay, I thought I had this set up like that. Okay, sorry about that. My mistake. Okay, so Mrs. Nana Daudu. A round of applause for her. She's a member of the Board of Trustees. So those are the 5 members of the Board of Trustees that we have. 2 of them are here. The 3. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Chief Ayodele Mario, the first MD of NNPC, the first GMD of Nigeria National Petroleum Commission, 2 times MD of NNPC. He's also unavoidably absent. I hear he's in
Italy.
He's in Italy on pilgrimage.
Pilgrimage, yeah.
Okay, so those are the members of the Board of Trustees. We also have the ESCO, who handle the day-to-day running of the association. This ESCO was inaugurated January this year. We started off January this year at a meeting held at University of Lagos, at Department of Chemical Engineering. And starting from my left, we have Ms. Amaka Uba, who is the Financial Secretary. Ms. Amaka Uba graduated from Imperial College in 2009. We have Tunji Nelson. Tunji Nelson is the Treasurer of the Association. Graduated from Imperial College in 2013. Okay, then we have Ms. Phoebe Larry Isamoje, who is the Publicity Secretary. He graduated from Imperial College in 2012. Then we have Destiny Amanda. Destiny Amanda is the Secretary of the Association, and myself, Olubenga Adelano. I graduated from Imperial College in 2007. Destiny graduated in 1991. Okay, so we are the members of the ESCOs, and we have been trying to make sure that we carry out the objective of setting out this association. Last week, was it last Saturday, or 2 Saturdays ago, actually, we had a press conference to announce the association to the whole world and to also say a few things about the plans and programs we have to promote the objective of the association and to get graduates of Imperial College living and working in Nigeria to be part of the association. We have quite a number of programs that we reeled out during that press conference, and the press has really carried it. I don't know if you have seen any of such publication, Guardian, Punch, The Nation, and all the other major newspapers.
We'll send out the copies of the to the email list.
Before you continue.
Yes, sir.
See, the man over there, engineer, he has been carrying the secretarial work from 1980. Yes. Until your January.
Okay, sir.
You get it? Okay. All the secretarial work for Imperial Parents have been on his head.
Okay. Sorry, Mr. Tio. I'm very sorry. Mr. Tio.
Esquire.
Esquire. Okay, we're going to use Mr. You don't use Esquire. Am I correct, sir? So, yes. Tio Plus Emuwa Esquire. In fact, it's been instrumental to a lot of planning that has been done prior to January 2013. 2014. Actually, I received the